Scene 1. Our Willy mechanic pops the hood, confident, but whoops! The car horn blares non-stop, startling him. Scene 2. Attempting to fix the horn, he disconnects a wire. Alas, the windshield wipers spring to life, flapping wildly. Scene 3. Comically, he ducks and dodges the erratic wipers. Viewers can't help but chuckle at his acrobatic avoidance. Scene 4. Leaning on the car for support, he triggers the alarm. Flashing lights, blaring sounds, it's a one-man rave. Scene 5. With the alarm still blaring, he frantically pushes buttons. Passers-by watch the unexpected show, some filming. Scene 6. In his haste, he spills his entire toolbox. Now he's slipping and sliding on loose bolts like a cartoon. Scene 7. Desperate to stop the chaos, he grabs a manual, but it's for the wrong model. Viewers facepalm in unison. Scene 8. He tries to close the hood, but calamity. It won't shut. Now it's bouncing like it's possessed. Scene 9. In his final act, he aims to change a tire, but it rolls away, leading him on a laughable chase. Scene 10. Exhausted, he sits in defeat. The car then starts perfectly. He sighs, relief mixed with disbelief.